TikTok Shop affiliate without 5,000 followers. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you on how you can become a TikTok Shop affiliate without 5,000 followers. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come to shop.tiktok.com, and once you're over here, you're going to come down to the affiliate guide section, okay? And the affiliate guide section, what you can do is you can simply go over to the TikTok Shop affiliate, and once you're over here, basically what happens is that you can join and connect through the creators, and you don't necessarily need 5,000 followers, okay? So basically you can either be a seller or you could be a creator. So you're going to find products, get samples, and then sell products, all right? So it depends on what you're going to want to do. Sellers cannot get the sample. Creators, on the other hand, can get samples to actually, show to the world. So for sellers, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Seller Central, go to Affiliate, Get Started, and set up collaborations. Creators, on the other hand, are going to create the account, get permission from the seller to sell the products. You're going to add your contact info, add products to your showcase, get samples, and sell the product, okay? You do not need 5,000 followers for this. You can have the limited amount of followers as well. You just need to get permission from the actual seller, and you're good to go. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to become a TikTok Shop affiliate without 5,000 followers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.